Hi, I'm Firefighter Red. Up to this side in lots of color, lots of flavor.
That's French, but not good.
Look at this, we're cooperating. You guys are working hard. You're covered in soot.
And everything's organic.
See how it tastes? Oh my gosh.
You gotta ring it. You say it, you gotta ring it.
Hi, I'm Firefighter Ray, and Firehouse Kitchen is on the road. We are in Indianapolis. All right, we are here in front of Kroger. Kroger is America's largest traditional grocery. I've got Dr. Stefanos Kell of Harvard University, and I've got Lieutenant Mike Cassiola of the FDNY, and we're gonna do some survival
Mediterranean style.
Oh my goodness, we're gonna go inside Kroger, do some shopping.
So this is a great way to get your polyphenols and your antioxidants, some of the same ones you would get in red wine, but even more. These berries are great brain food, heart food, and anti-cancer food.
Survival Mediterranean style. All right, go for it.
Today we're going to cook a healthy meatloaf on the Mediterranean style. I've already started chopping my onions, so what we're going to do is we're going to saute the onions, and that mixture is going to go into the meatloaf.
What exactly are the firefighters doing right now to do this study?
They're going to take small steps, small changes. So instead of butter, we're going to use olive oil, preferably extra virgin olive oil. So more often, white meats, eggs, fish. So today, hence, we got ground turkey instead of ground beef.
Okay.
We're roasting asparagus, we're roasting peppers, but Mike is also going to put some of these peppers and zucchini into the meatloaf.
Yeah, so the plan here is to blend some of these other vegetables right into our meatloaf mixture. So in essence, you're going to have meatloaf with the vegetables all in one.
Now we did the Mediterranean diet, unbelievable. And now today, that was all about what we put in our body. This cancer summit, how to prevent for firefighters. Why is this such a passion for you?
Because of the work we're doing on nutrition and the work that we're doing with IFD and heart disease and other things, they asked me to come and give a talk on nutrition as a way to prevent it. Mediterranean diet does decrease your cancer risk by 20 to 30%. This is a whole one day for firefighters, so there are doctors presenting, but this is all about, you know, from and to firefighters, how they can protect themselves, what they can do if, God forbid, somebody gets cancer, to get the support from the Cancer Support Network, etc.
Doc, how could a firefighter or just somebody find out more about the Mediterranean diet?
Any firefighter, firefighter family member, or anyone else who's interested, they can come and check out all the websites that are listed right here below on your screen.